Students, before solving any question, I would like to explain you the difference between charge against profit and appropriation of profit. Okay, what is the difference between these two terms? So charge against profit means whether the firm is earning profits or incurring loss, it needs to be paid off. Alright, for example, interest on loan. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन इज अ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. इसका मतलब है चाहे फर्म को प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस हो, इट हैज टू बी रिकॉर्डेड एंड इट नीड्स टू बी पेड ऑफ. ओके, एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट मीन्स इट इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स. यस, अगर फर्म प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रही है तभी आप प्रॉफिट में से एप्रोप्रिएशन कर सकते हो. एप्रोप्रिएशन मीनिंग आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, इट मीन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Okay, so whenever the firm is having profits, that time only we can appropriate the net profit. Okay, losses में appropriation applicable नहीं होते हैं. So this is the basic difference between charge against profit and appropriation of profit. Charge against profit means whether the firm is getting profit or loss, it needs to be paid off. Appropriation of profit is only applicable at the time of profit. It is not applicable at the time of losses incurred by the firm. So here you can see the difference. First one is nature. It is an expense, hence deducted from revenue to determine net profit or loss for the year. Yes, charge against profit is deducted from the total revenue to calculate net profit or net loss for the year. Appropriation of profit, it means distribution of net profit for the year among partners under different heads as per the partnership deed. Yes, partnership deed में जो भी clauses mention है, like interest on capital, partner salary, commission, उनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आप करोगे फ्रॉम द अवेलेबल नेट प्रॉफिट. ऑलराइट, सेकेंड इज रिकॉर्डिंग. चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट इज डेबिटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. यस, लास्ट ईयर यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. देयर वी यूज टू राइट इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, ओके, मैनेजर्स कमीशन, रेंट on the debit side of P&L account. Appropriation of profit is debited to profit and loss appropriation account. We have discussed the specimen of P&L appropriation account. There on the debit side, we write interest on capital, salary, partner's commission on the debit side. Okay, because these are appropriations. Next is priority. It is allowed before appropriation of profit. Okay, appropriation of profit, it is appropriated after accounting all charges. Okay, appropriation कब होगा? जब सारे charges आपने subtract कर दिए हैं from the total revenue, then only you can appropriate. Last is example. Example of charge against profits are rent paid to partner, interest on loan by partner, etc. Here we have salary to partners, interest on capital, transfer of profit to general reserve, etc. So I hope the difference between charge against profit and appropriation of profit is clear to you all. Okay, I have given the example of interest on loan. Interest on loan is treated as charge against profit. It means that whether the firm is getting profit or incurring losses, it needs to be recorded and it needs to be paid off. Interest on capital is an appropriation of profit. It means if the firm is earning profit, that time only it is applicable. But if in the question it is written interest on capital is to be treated as charge, what does it mean? That it has to be paid off. If it is written charge against profit, it has to be paid off no matter the business is earning profit or incurring losses.